Hello. Today I'm going to go over this worksheet, calculating the wavelength of light. And I'm going to try and break it down so that it's very simple for us to do. We're looking at the electromagnetic spectrum. We are going to calculate this up here, the wavelength. And then once we know which wavelength it is, we'll say what type of light it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off, the formula we're going to use is lambda equals speed of light over frequency. And I've given you the speed of light here. That's going to be the same for all of them. The frequency is going to change, but then once we have both of those numbers, we can just put it into this equation and find our wavelength. So let's write out the equation. And 3 times 10 to the 8th over 3 times 10 to the 17th. So a couple things to remember when we're doing this. The first is we can simplify these exponents, 10 to the 8th, 10 to the 10 to the 17th. First though, let's just take our 3 divided by 3. Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? Times 10 to the what? Well, as a reminder, for exponents, xa over xb equals xa minus b. So we're just going to take our top exponent, subtract our bottom exponent. And in that case, it's 8 minus 17, right? 8 minus 17 equals, so I get this out, 8 minus 17 is negative 9. All right, so that's 1 times 10 to the negative 9. And I got that by just minusing top exponent from the bottom. So 1 times 10 to the negative 9, if I look up here, that is an X-ray. So I'll say X-rays. Let's do another one. All right, so my speed of light is the same. My frequency is different here, but I'm gonna write it out. 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by 1 times 10 to the 20th equals, well, I can do this 3 divided by 1 first. 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 10 to the what? Well, I do the same thing. I take 8 minus 20. And if I do that, 8 minus 20 equals negative 12. So my exponent here is negative 12. 3 times 10 to the negative 12, those are gamma rays. And you're going to do the same thing for the rest of these, okay? It should be the same setup.